Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. So if you are new to this channel, do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. Yeah. So if you're a TikTok lover, if you're a person who, if you love TikTok, scrolling through videos, then one way or the other, you'll be needing this video. So watch to the end so that you don't miss any information. Okay, so I'll be talking about how to, see your watch history or view history. So how to see your watch history. So maybe you've seen a video and you want to, go back to the video, but you don't remember what user was it and what particular video, maybe the name to search for. So with this video, after you're done watching this video, don't worry, that won't be a problem. So first of all, let me open my TikTok app. Where is TikTok? Okay, let me open my TikTok app. So let's imagine this is the video, and I mistakenly scrolled and I missed the video. So how will I be able to, view the video again while I don't remember the user who posted it? Then, so first of all, just open your TikTok app, then tap on the search tab. Tap on the search tab and search for dot. That's full stop. Type in full stop and search. So you realize in here, there is view your watch history. Yes, so you have to tap on the view your watch history. So, and with this, you see the videos that you've seen previously. Okay, so you realize in here, these are my watch history. Okay, so these are my watch history. Yeah, so every video that I've seen, you've seen in here. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, so don't forget to save this video and share it to your friends. As you can see, these are my watch history. If you love this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and share it to your loved ones. Bye bye, and see you on the other side.